Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand, this is our new carry-on stuffs. And this is the countertop styling, the commercial one, the seasoning toppings. And let me give the overall dimensions first. Its unit's entire length is about like a 13 inches wide. And the depth is about like a 15.5 inches. Overall height is about like a 10 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit is coming with a 4 individual container on top of it. And you can put all kinds like a seasoning sauce or toppings for the drinks and put in containers. So we can see the lids, they come in made by stainless steels, all of those. And also the manufacturer offer the spoon is also stainless steel units too. And for the small containers, the overall sizes will be about like a 7 inches wide and the 6.5 inches long and almost about like a 6 inches deep. So they do having a basis at the bottoms, and you can put any like a coat like ices to keep temperatures to keep the units cold. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.